Hello everyone, my name is Ariful Islam and today I'm going to talk about a topic very close to my heart, and that is mindset. Now, everyone, we love to see sports. We see these players, these personalities who have this drive or this desire to be the best in their field. And for example, we see that Cristiano Ronaldo, Lionel Messi, who are the best of their fields, and we can see that Virat Kohli, Sachin Tendulkar, many of them are the best in their field. Among these different players and different fields, there is one common trait in everyone. That is their mindset. Their mindset is what differs them from being an average player to the greatest of the game. If I were to give you one example, Cristiano Ronaldo, before he went to the level he is right now, he used to practice every single day, every single night. After everyone finished their training, he used to train alone. Now the point of this mindset and these thinking is, why am I telling you these mindsets? Why these are relevant or important in our personal life? Me, you, why is this relevant? We are not everyone is athlete, right? We are not athletes. But as as human, everyone has that trait or that specialty which they can excel in. For Ronaldo, it was football, and for, let's say, Einstein, it was his great thinking ability, for his mind. For Einstein, it was his mind in scientific inventions. So we all have that special gift given by the Almighty Himself, which we can excel in if we fix our mindset. That is, whatever we choose, whatever we work on, if we give our best every single day, then we can get to the level that all these great people have achieved. Now, there are steps we can take, there are processes we can follow, but it is your inner desire, like it is your own question, that why would you want to be someone who would excel in their field? That has to be born inside you, that inner desire of being the best of what you can be in your own job. Now you can be a teacher, you can be a student, you can be a professional who's a job holder, you can be anything, but being the best is your own responsibility towards yourself and your family and the society. Now the steps we can take is really considering our own mindset, like, are we doing this to give our best, or are we doing this just because we have to, or just because someone else has told us to do so? Thank you for listening to me, and I hope this will bring a mindset shift in all of us. Thank you.